On the next Galaxy S series, Samsung wants to provide performance that is out of this world. The Galaxy S Ultra flagship will continue to be the first to get the greatest chip, the best camera, the best display, and the best performance regardless of how fantastic the foldables become. We're about to release our most recent leak on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that powers the beast, and it looks absolutely crazy. It's possible that the Galaxy S24 series will use the first smartphone chip with a clock speed close to 4 GHz. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will feature 5 performance cores instead of 4 from last year, with the primary Prime X4 CPU core clocked at 3.7 GHz, according to Digital Chat Station, who has a strong track record when it comes to Qualcomm chip leaks. This seems absolutely absurd given that the 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy will undoubtedly have some overclocked advantages, and that this is the standard version of the device. Therefore, we may be looking at clock speeds of 3.85 to 3.9 GHz, which is nearly as fast as 4 GHz. Along with what may be the most powerful GPU ever installed in a smartphone, the Adreno 750 will also get 2 tiny cores for efficiency. With the release of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 next year, Qualcomm hopes to maintain its current position as the GPU leader. It will still be constructed using the sophisticated 4nm and 4P node DSMC process, however. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may use electric car technology for a battery life that we haven't seen on any Samsung flagship before, according to the most recent rumors emerging from South Korean media. With the close stacking of the materials, Samsung will be able to make a 10% bigger battery in the same footprint of the battery that we have already seen on other Samsung flagship devices. This stacking method is superior to Samsung's current winding method, which entails rolling the battery components into these foam factors, so we should see a larger battery without affecting the overall size at all. Using this new technology, we'll experience significant battery gains. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.